I love search and SEO. Today we're going to take you through a series of short videos so that you can get started with SEO. My name is Gerald Murphy and I work at Similarweb, the official measure of the digital world. And I've been working in SEO for over 10 years and I absolutely love it. So what exactly is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is sometimes referred to as organic or natural search. The main aim of SEO is to increase traffic to a website using site-wide tactics. SEOs work very closely with content marketers whose main aim is to get more targeted audience to your website using specific keywords to increase traffic. Collectively, SEO helps people find the right website at the right time in the right moment. SEO is also all about content, and this is why it's very closely linked to content marketing. SEO has a lot of principles of a library. The content needs to be well organized and structured. The books need to be unique, for example, titles and headings, but actually the books themselves need to be very different from other ones within the library. The library shelves are actually very similar to a search engine results page, how people see and find and discover books. And people also need to recommend your book, for example, through social media or indeed through a backlink to your website. There are lots of ways to get started doing SEO because SEO is the broadest digital marketing channel. So lots of resources, often existing resources, can be used to support the overall channel. For example, web developers can be used to help fix and support with technical issues. Content writers can help write audience-led content. The buying and merchandising teams can inform and share with you information on what your audience purchases so that you can perhaps write more content with that audience in mind. These work together so your content team can provide content that improves the use of your product, while, for example, social media and paid search teams can also promote that content on their channels to get more eyeballs on it. Today we're going to go over the main aspects of SEO so you can improve your overall web traffic. So subscribe to the video below and join me in the next video in which we'll be looking at how search works.